welcome to Placements Prep. So today I came up with an government exam notification which was released by the Staff Selection Commission officials. That is SSC CHSL examination notification was released on November 6, 2020. So this SSC released the official notification for the combined higher secondary level recruitment exam for 2020 and 2021 session at the website ssc.nic.in on November 6th itself. It is one of the most important and popular annual recruitment events conducted by the Commission, and the SSC CHSL 2020 will create employment opportunities by filling up vacancies in various ministries, departments, and offices of the Government of India. As per CHSL 2020 and 2021 notification released by SSC, the Commission will host an online registration and form fill-up event for intending candidates. The online registration process already commenced with the release of official notification on November 6th. So, candidates will be able to submit SSC CHSL 2021 online applications till December 15th. So, the online application date has already been started and it is available at the website ssc.nic.in, and the last date to fill these online applications is till December 15th. And the Commission charges an application fee for registration and applications for CHSL exam. This time, candidates will be able to make online payment of fee till December 17th. Those who wish to pay the fee offline will be able to generate offline challan till December 19th. However, the last date of payment of fee through offline challan during bank hours is December 21st. So, the candidates who meets the minimum eligibility conditions have to apply online at ssc.nic.in. I will be providing the link in the description. Please follow that link and fill the online applications before December 15, 2020. As per schedule, male candidates has to pay the fee of ₹100, and for female candidate it is exempted. That is, no fee is collected for the female candidates. And next important thing is that candidates have to fill up and submit the one-time registration form in the step and the online application form in the second step. It must be noted that candidates must provide a functional email address and mobile number in order to register online. Similarly, one must furnish scanned copies of relevant supporting documents and recent color photographs in order to submit the online application form. Once the process is completed, candidates are provided with the facility to check their application form status. There will be option provided for you at the website ssc.nic.in, and there you can check your application status. And as per convention, after completion of the registration and application form fill-up stage, candidates can expect the Commission to release CHSL admit cards for the exam from the official website. They will be releasing the admit cards before 1 week of the exam. So you can check in that website ssc.nic.in. So this is the process of filling an online application, and now we'll see the eligibility criteria to apply for these SSC CHSL. So the eligibility criteria for this is 12th pass or else any graduate can apply. Graduates in final year can also apply for this exam. And next we'll see about the exam pattern of this SSC CHSL. There will be 3 tiers: Tier 1, Tier 2 and Tier 3. Tier 1 exam scheduled to be conducted in April 2021, and it will be conducted in the form of computer-based test. And the paper will consist of 25 questions from each of the subjects of English language, general intelligence, quantitative aptitude and general awareness. Tier 1 exam, which is computer based, and if you qualify in the Tier 1 exam, then you are eligible to write Tier 2 exam. The Tier 2 exam is of descriptive type, and Tier 3 exam includes, after completion of Tier 2 exam, there will be Tier 3 exam. This Tier 3 exam includes skill test or typing test. Therefore, no answer keys are released for these. And SSC CHSL final results are expected at the website only after the completion of all stages of the exam. However, individual results will also be released after completion of each stage. Those who qualify the Tier 1 exam will be eligible to appear in Tier 2 exam. Similarly, only those who qualified Tier 2 exam will be eligible to appear for the Tier 3 exam. So, the candidates must ensure that they start their preparations for Tier 1 exam with sufficient time in hand. And so that now that SSC has announced the complete details of the exam. So, these are the 3 rounds for in this SSC CHSL 2021. And coming to the analysis of Tier 1 computer based exam, mode of exam will be online computer based exam, and duration will be 1 hour, and number of questions will be 100 questions. That means there will be 4 sections, and from each section there will be 25 questions. And type of questions are objective and MCQ type questions. And the marking scheme is, for every question consists of 2 marks each, and for the wrong answers 0.5 marks will be deducted. That means in this exam there will be negative marking of 0.5. So this is a pattern of Tier 1 computer based exam. And coming to Tier 2 exam, that mode of exam will be pen paper written exam. That means it's an offline exam, and language should be, the candidates can answer the question either in Hindi or else English. And duration will be 1 hour to write the answers. Total marks will be of 100, and there will be no negative marking in this Tier 2 exam. And after this Tier 2 exam, there will be Tier 3 exam. Tier 3 exam comprises of skill test or typing test. Skill test for data entry operator, that is data entry speed of 8000 key depressions per hour on the computer, and typing test is 35 words in English or else 30 WPM for in Hindi. So this is a pattern for Tier 3 skill test. So I hope you have understood all the tiers of the SSC CHSL exam, and make sure that you have applied for this exam before December 15th, 2020. And in next video, in coming videos, I will be making the syllabus for this SSC CHSL 2020. From each section, what are the topics to be prepared, I will be explaining in detail in further videos. So please stay tuned to my channel and make sure that you have subscribed to my channel. By subscribing to it, I hope you will probably be the first to learn and benefit. And until we meet again, it's bye from me. Thank you.